Cabbage and corn stir fry serves 4 ingredients: green or red cabbage, sliced 1 corn cob, cooked and kernels sliced off 1 TBSP, lime juice 1 teaspoon, sesame oil 1 teaspoon, chopped red chili 2 teaspoon, fish sauce 2 tablespoons, chopped coriander. Method: heat non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Cook cabbage for 3 minutes or until wilted. Stir through other ingredients, heat and serve. Tip: as an alternative, use a can of baby corn instead of the corn cob. Serve as a side dish, or turn into a more substantial dish by adding minced chicken, extra corn, onion, mushrooms and celery. If you have leftovers, they can easily be turned into fritters by adding 1 egg plus 2 tablespoons milk plus 2 TBSP flour to half the cabbage mix. Per serve: energy 286 kilojoules, fat 2 grams, saturated fat 0.3 grams, carbohydrate 10.5 grams, fiber 1.9 grams, sodium 197 milligrams. Taro stir fry with Indian spices serves 2 ingredients: 1 piece taro, approximately 350 grams, 2 cups boiling water, 2 teaspoon vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, teaspoon chili powder, or to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 onion, sliced 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, finely diced 1 teaspoon garam masala optional, cup natural unsweetened yogurt, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, crushed. Method 1: peel taro and cut in half horizontally, then into chunks. 2. Put boiling water in a saucepan with a lid over medium heat. Add taro root, replace lid, and allow to steam until tender and well cooked. 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from heat and drain. Once cool enough, cut chunks into slices. 3. In a non-stick frying pan, gently heat oil. Add cumin seeds, chili, turmeric, onion and ginger. Cook until onion is soft, about 5 minutes. 4. Add garam masala and drain taro, and cook for a couple of minutes. Remove from heat and serve drizzled with a yogurt dressing, yogurt, lemon juice and garlic mixed together. Tip: wear gloves when handling taro if you have sensitive skin, as it can be an irritant. Taro must be well cooked. To save time, use an Indian spice paste instead of the spices. Per serve: energy 983 kilojoules, fat 5 grams, saturated fat 1.7 grams, carbohydrate 45 grams, fiber 5.4 grams, sodium 12 milligrams. Photo courtesy of www.vegetables.co.nz. Heart Foundation iVegetable Cookbook 18.